Hello viewers, this is your friend Sudhir Sharma. Welcome to the series Darpan in the new episode on Darpan. Today we'll discuss on a topic which we probably deal throughout our life. And the topic is health or wealth. More often than not, we are chasing wealth. And when I say wealth, it is the material wealth that I'm talking about, the money aspect. So throughout our life, we are chasing this material wealth at the cost of the most important part of our life, which is health. So what is more important, health or material wealth? Ideally or maybe philosophically, we may agree, yes, health is important, but practically, what is happening around us? What is happening to each one of us? Are we really caring for our health? Or even when we define health, how do we define it? At best, the physical aspect, and maybe rarely the mental aspect. But do we really know how to define health? Let's try and see what health is. So for an individual, a physical health is important along with the mental health. But there are two more aspects to it. One is the spiritual health and another is your social health. So when you talk about health, let's talk about health from all four sides. Maybe taking health for the first time holistically and give importance to all the four aspects. All are equally important. And first let us understand and realize this, that yes, there is something called spiritual health. Yes, there is something called social health. And all four are interconnected with each other. All the four aspects of health. And if you are a healthy body and a healthy mind, you will go a long way. And in the process, the material wealth will be coming as a byproduct of the work, of the task, or the various events that you are associated with. And sometimes this material wealth may go also. So it may come, it may go. But your health, and which is primarily driven by you, your body and your mind, this can be with you always. But then important is to note that it is the physical health, mental health, spiritual health, and social health. All four are important. So coming back to the, a dilemma which we normally faces in our life, health or wealth. And since even when we know what is more important, we sometimes tend to forget it. But then today, let's all pledge that health is more important than the material wealth. Material wealth being a byproduct of the various processes and activities which we do, and they can only be done in an effective way if we are healthy from the body and from the mind. Our goal is to achieve the state that when our health becomes our wealth. So may we all try and pay attention to the most important aspect of our body and mind, which is health. A healthy body, a healthy mind, a healthy society, and a happy society. Thank you.